Welcome everybody back to today's video. We have returned to Swansea again to film for you all today. The last time I came here, I showed you a few beaches and also a spectacular sea cave. In this second part, I'm going to be showing you a few more trails and a few more spectacular viewpoints from up above. Without further ado, let me take you on the continuation adventure in Swansea. We have arrived at Coastal Beach and Spoon Rock Lookout. We're going to be walking along that, where you can see in the distance. It's got a bit of rocks on it, but the end of it looks like genuinely like a spoon. But just seeing the little coastal beach as well is quite nice. It's got like a very great atmosphere here today. I'm loving it. About to head on to Rock Spoon Lookout. Make sure to wear solid footwear and stay safe going along these rocks. Let's go check it out on the other side. Originally built by a mining company for coal transportation, the breakwater's shape is how this received its name. The Spoon Rock is visible on your way down, the pebbled path to the beach and from the lookout. I just made it over, so you have to be very careful when crossing at the rocks because the section is basically water, majority of it. So you've got to find the right solid rocks to climb over to come over here. But it was a little challenging, I'm not gonna lie, but I finally got over here. I'm gonna be heading right there behind me. That's gonna go right into the Spoon. So what a cool name to call this little section. Oh my God, I just passed that because a lot of water crosses over the rocks, but woohoo, I did it. We're now officially here on the Spoon. It was quite challenging, but we got there in the end, yay. The mining venture with Silver Valley Minerals didn't proceed after its construction. However, the breakwater now stands as a reminder and provides valuable protection from the swell at the beach. Designed for offloading coal, the spoon-shaped breakwater stretches 500 meters out to clear blue water. This small stretch of beach is Spoon Rocks. I thoroughly enjoyed being at Rock Spoon. We're now going to be heading behind me, which is Quarry Beach, which heads up to the next section of where we're going. And then we're going to be showing a nice lookout from where we're standing, looking down below. So it'd be really cool to see what it's going to look like once we get there. This trail behind me is the Pinny Lagoon North Firetrail. So we're going to be heading on this. Now we're going to be not sure what's going to lie ahead, but it will take us to a nice lookout that will look down from where we were previously before. Welcome to Spoon Rock Lookout. That is where we were earlier, standing exactly there a few moments ago. And now we're finally up on the lookout. Doesn't it look truly spectacular from up above? Well, this is actually a good spot where I'm going to have some lunch and enjoy it a little bit, and then we'll be getting back onto the track in just a moment. Behind me is Pinny Beach. We finally got here and it's a nice little section that you can see. I actually thought that it was going to be a little bit bigger than what I saw on the maps, but this is truly quite nice to see. Behind me right over here, there is a trail that you can go to, and apparently there's a thing called a split rock. So I'm actually going to go that way to go check it out, and we should be able to see the nice coastline along the way. But I'm very intrigued to see like how big the split rock actually is. So let's go see if we can find it. The lookout of Pinny Beach is the high point. It's a slight decline as you make your way down to open headland called Quarry's Head. As you can see from the size of the waves, that they are quite massive when it crashes along the cliff face. Finally made it to Split Rock, and apparently it's just right there in the distance. Not too bad. Pretty cool atmosphere to just be around here and seeing the cliff faces with the waves crashing onto the rocks like that. Pinny Beach has coarse sand and a steep drop-off into the water. However, as you look closely, the view is spectacular across the headland. For a different experience, you can take the Yondeo Trail through Wallara National Park. The grade 4 hike is 2.5 kilometers return and is an experience in itself. Behind me right now is called Shark Hole Trail. Now further along onto this trail when you do it, apparently there's meant to be actual section of water called Shark Hole. So I wonder if there actually might be sharks, hence the name of it, or it's just like a little crater thing. From what I've seen on the map, it kind of looks like that, but one way to find out is going through this trail, which I'm about to do right now. This 4.5 kilometers out and back trail near Pinny Beach is generally considered a moderately challenging route. Great trail for hiking, running, and bird watching. Shark Hole is sizable protected ocean, inlet encircled by steep cliffs. The ladder shown earlier is a way down to get a closer look of the crater length section of the location. This is my first time actually concluding it from a distance. So this has been Shark Hole and Baldy Cliff that you can see in the distance there. It looks really nice with the rocks and the cliff faces. Overall, to give it a rating of this whole day visiting Swansea again, I must admit I definitely like the challenge, the experience of just seeing all cliff face, trees, nature, and just going and walking along Rock Spoon today. That was a massive challenge for me, but it was totally worth it to going to the end there. A truly fantastic experience, and I hope you guys will like enjoying coming here as well. Until next time, life's an unexpected journey, and I will see you all in another one of my videos. Take care everyone, bye. Check out the Granda 94 socials on TikTok and Instagram, alongside subscribing to this YouTube channel. If like to donate, I have as well a Patreon that all proceeds will contribute to equipment, content, and behind the scenes images. Also a merch store via Redbubble that has clothing, magnets, and other types of things to check out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy looking through many more videos of mine. See you next time.